We're here today to talk about trading and some ways to increase our efficiency at trading and make more money at trading. One of the things I'd like to pose with you first is a real problem that we have in trading. And if we can solve this problem, then we're a long way along the way to understanding the market better and to trading better. The first part of this problem is that you as a group of traders, are in the top 10% intelligence-wise of the entire nation. We're in the top category as a group. That doesn't mean that every one of us is in there, but as a group we're in the top 10 percentile. Most of the people who come to trading commodities have already been successful, and that's the second characteristic of it. And that's number two, is that we've had previous success. And then the third thing that we have, unless you have found a broker that I haven't found yet who will open up an account on a credit card, you have to have accumulated some kind of amount of money. So there are three things then. You're in the top 10%, you have success, previous success, and you have money. And guess what that ends up as? That ends up as over 90% failure. In fact, the average trader coming into the market is blown out in a little bit more than 3 months. If we can understand this, then we can go a long way in understanding how to make money in the markets and how to trade the markets. Albert Einstein, toward the end of his life, was asked a question by fellow scientists. And the question that he was asked is, what is the most important question we could possibly ask? And they thought that Einstein was going to say that something about the unified field theory, which was what he was working on at that particular time. But his answer is intriguing. Without any hesitation, he said the most important question you can ever ask is the universe a friendly place? And today the question I hope we can ask after this is over is the market a friendly place?